Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Karibu sana. This is a cookbook kitchen, the home of cookbook recipes with your one and only, you know me, Carol. You're welcome. I'm so excited today. I have a new book. Oh, I waited for this book. Finally, it arrived a month or two ago, and whoa, the recipes in this book. Hey, yeah. New book manenos. The book is called Baked to Perfection. And today we are going to try and bake to perfection some tahini cookies. Let me show you the picture. Look at that. So guys, as I introduced to you a new book, Baked to Perfection, our first recipe for this book is going to be tahini cookies. In fact, it has very simple ingredients, because what we have is some tahini paste, some honey, some vanilla bean paste, bicarbonate of soda, some salt, some almond flour, some sesame seeds, black and white, and that's it. So come. So guys, these are my sesame seeds, black and white. I've already mixed them, so you need to check the book as always to get the quantities, and yes, so that you can have the right measurement. So this I've already mixed. I have some almond flour, some vanilla bean paste, some honey, bicarbonate of soda, some salt, and my tahini mixture. We need to mix everything in the bowl apart from our seeds. So we get our honey. There is our honey, our bicarbonate of soda, our salt, our vanilla bean paste. I'm telling you, these books will show me things. Vanilla bean paste. I'm used to vanilla. Almond flour. So we need to mix until we get a smooth dough. This is our smooth dough, It's smoothing, Look at that. Oh, here's our dough. Whoa, it looks really nice. So the next step is dividing our dough into 14 balls. We are going to use, it says around a teaspoon. So let's see. Make them into a bowl. First, let's make them into balls first, before we go into the next step. Here are my 14 balls. Now we roll them into the sesame seeds. Okay. Then like that, You put it here and press it down. I hope this is enough. Oh my goodness, I need to lift mine. Yes. Then tunaekelea hapo kwa sahani. So our mixture is our bowl, like that, down. Woi, pungulu. Boom. I have finished with the mixing and pressing, so they go into the fridge for 15 minutes. Guys, here are our cookies. Now we put them in the oven for how many minutes? We're going to bake them for 10 minutes. 10 minutes. The book says you make them in batches of 2. My tray, I think my tray is big enough. Just 1 round. Our cookies are ready. Oh, time to test, time to test. Whoa. First of all, let's give it a, let's look at it. We see if what the book shows us is what we've made. Okay. Book and reality. Book, reality. Oh. They look nice, they smell nice. Whoa. Let's crack it and we eat it, eh? Yeah, it is. Oh, then look at it inside. Yo, it's time to test. Okay. Fast recipe and I'm impressed. Wow. My people, let me tell you, this thing is nice. Hey, yeah. Let me finish. This thing is nice. Whoa, it's very crunchy. Wow, very easy to make. Guys, our first recipe from this book, and it's a tick. They are amazing, they are crunchy, they are easy to make. 8 minutes in the oven and they were done. Like, hey, look at this. Who needs to buy cookies when you can make your own tahini cookies? Like, whoa. Don't forget, today we'll introduce a new book, Baked to Perfection. And these cookies are just baked to perfection. This is nice. I love this book and I love the way we have started. Whoa, this is interesting. By the time we get to this one that is on the cover, I know we are going to be impressed. So far, so good. So good. So don't forget, guys, as always, the quantities for the ingredients, they are in the book. Check them out, try out the cookies, try out the recipes, and let me know what you think in the comment section. Don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe. Bye bye and God bless.